Hello there folks, I'm Dan Brown from asortofinterestinglife.com. We're on a boat and I think it's about time we got in a smaller boat. Oh yes, let's inflate a kayak. So, I've got the Intex Challenger K1 kayak and I keep mine not quite folded all the way but rather handily tucked away under here. The first thing that you'll want to do is get it laid out as flat as you possibly can, so that when you inflate it, it doesn't pinch any of these corners together, because I think that's how mine initially got a hole in it. So when we look at this from the top, you can see it's pretty straightforward. Looks exactly like what it is, a flat kayak. On the back here you can see we've got a stopper with the number 2, so that obviously indicates that that's the second one to do. The first one, if we pick up the side here, you'll see is tucked away just up there. It says inflate until it is firm but not hard, so that's a nice descriptive way of putting it, but it doesn't really give you an exact science of how much this needs to be inflated. So I'll just show you this very quickly. You've got these big plugs on the back here which you can unscrew the entire thing to let a lot of air out to deflate it very quickly, but what you want to do is take the top off that one, obviously screw that in firmly first, take the top part off, at which point you can then just attach the end of the pump like that straight onto it. And it's got to be said that this pump really does pump this up in minutes, so I'm very happy about that after the years spent on the beach waiting for the dinghy to inflate forever. So as I start this inflation process, you'll be amazed to know, or at least I certainly was amazed to know, that once I'd actually done this and looked back at the video clip of me inflating this, even in real time, it only took 3 minutes to inflate from absolutely empty, which is absolutely fantastic, I think. So you can see here that I've got this firm but not hard, and equally the inside part. And that's personally how much air I put into it. I might put a little bit less if it's a beautiful summer's day, just to account for the expansion effect. And now it's a simple case, we've just got to pop the seat in, pop the footrest down the bottom end there, and then flip it over, and we've just got the fin to put on. Just a quick word on the paddles. You'll notice when you get it that the actual paddle part isn't attached to the main frame, and it literally slides over the end and it's got one of these pop buttons on it, which means that it locks it into place. And then attaching the paddle itself to the main handles is as simple as sliding it down into place, make sure they're both aligned, and then tightening it by screwing that up clockwise. And there you have it. So here we've got the final steps, the seat and the footrest. The footrest part literally just slides straight down under the front, and these are pretty simple to inflate. Just got these little inflation nozzles, whatever they're called. And that slides down there. I find it's a bit small, so I always put a cushion down there as well. And when it comes to the seat, this is once again inflated simply but in 2 separate parts, but it also has this strap along the back. So the first thing that you want to do is obviously line up your Velcro straps, or your Velcro strips rather. So that then means that the seat itself is locked into place on the base part. Then, with the straps, you literally strap one side onto the strap that matches on the kayak, the other one goes underneath, and then you can then use that to obviously make the seat as solid or as laid back as you wish. And that's pretty much your straightforward basic part. The last job, like I say, is to slide the fin on. So pop on a life jacket and we're ready to go, or as this is technically a buoyancy aid. You can see we've got our kayak just sat on the side there holding it on with the oars, and I'm going to pop my slippers off and under the net and then off I go. So I'll say thank you very much for watching. Check out my other videos for loads of narrowboat life videos, all sorts of kayaking trips and an awful lot more that's in the same theme of outdoors and living life. And I'll say once again, subscribe, like the Facebook page, feel free to add me personally on Facebook and Twitter, and until the next time, have a fantastic day. Farewell.